The Webex Room Bar box contains 2 trays with the included components: the room bar, cables, mounting brackets, and a navigator panel. Start off by assembling and installing the mounting brackets. Here we demonstrate screen mounting, but the same brackets are used if you want the device to be wall mounted. The room bar clicks into place on the brackets. Next, connect cables and power on the device. Connect the navigator control panel and let the device run through the startup procedure. Once started, the setup wizard will guide you through the steps. First, select the mode you want the navigator to run and where it is located. Next, configure network settings, wired or wireless, and cloud or on-prem registration. Here we choose cloud registration and type in the 16-digit activation code from Control Hub. Let the device sync with the backend and it's activated. Verify time zone settings, USB pass-through information, camera adjustment, and sound check. And now you're done. The setup is complete. The Webex Room Bar is now configured and ready for use.